So I'm going to show you how to connect your Galaxy Tab A11 to your phone's hotspot. So you might want to share your internet connection from your phone to the Galaxy Tab A11. So first things first, make sure you enable hotspot on your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. Make sure you turn on hotspot and you know the password to your hotspot. So for me, this is an iPhone. Like I said, it could be an Android phone, but I know the name of my iPhone and the hotspot password, which is right here. Okay, so armed with that information, you simply go to settings on your tablet and then go to connections and then go to Wi-Fi, because a hotspot is going to appear as a Wi-Fi network. So search for your phone. You can see my phone is here. I'll tap on it and then just connect like you'd connect on any other Wi-Fi. And then tap on the connect button and you should get connected to your phone's hotspot and have internet connection directly from your phone on your tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.